I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, Murray, Utah. Today we're going to show you how to repair a Moen Series tub faucet. First you remove the handle. Now some of the handles are a little bit different style than this. May use a set screw to remove the handle. And there's the handle. Now you'll have a sleeve called the stop tube. On this one you'll just simply pull the stop tube off. Moen has a keeper or a lock pin, horseshoe shaped pin that has to be removed before taking the cartridge out. Now on some of the Moens you'll have a little bit of a difficult time. Sometimes you'll need a puller to help pull that off. Pull the cartridge into the center cartridge out. Put your tool on and rotate side to side. Once you get the cartridge to rotate, you can pull it. Cartridge will come out. Take that over to your supply house, pick up a new one. New one slides into place. You can use your tool, or the cartridge will come with a keeper or a tool to help you realign the cartridge so that your little horseshoe pin fits back in. Make sure you get it lined up correctly so the keeper pin goes back into place. Sometimes they can be stubborn. Then your stop tube goes back on and you're ready to reinstall your handle. And your index button. Now you've repaired a Moen Series faucet. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, Murray, Utah, and we've just shown you how to repair a Moen Series tub faucet.